This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Penny Henderson. This property actually has a house, a mobile home and a separate 4-bay garage/automobile repair shop. The 1325 address is the house and the automobile shop. The 1331 is the trailer. All three of these are being sold as one. Public record shows approximately 3 acres. Properties are on Highway 92 North, across from the fire station. The property is investor-owned and all three, house, trailer, workshop are rented. For more information, review the details below or contact Penny Henderson at 770-231-3840.